Welcome back to Boys on a Mission. We got Dad ready to go. We're going to the back bay. And tides are right. Track's probably crap, but we'll get to it. And we'll see you over there.
I'm only taking 2.
What was that?
Good dry bit. Last bit of mud. Come on, baby.
So we're just at the boat ramp here, and yeah, and I'm gonna go look for some bait, and Dad's gonna put the boat in the water, and I'll see how we go. Oh, Dad's got something to say.
Me first one.
Oh, okay.
So getting live bait out of here is pretty hard, so we got to sneak down, be at the ready, walk through the mud. In that gutter bunch, right there, hit it.
Oh yeah.
Couple of prawns.
Couple of thieving dogs.
Oh, lovely big mullet. Nice ones.
So I'm no good at chucking the cast net, so Dad's gonna have a crack. That's not fair.
Perfect circle.
No, not even. Look like a pear.
Hopefully there's mullet in it. Coupler.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
There's some nice ones. You didn't get that, did you?
Nope.
Oh, there's a big fish in here.
Oh, mullet. Oh, that big one. Average.
Average. There's your crab bait.
Oh man. Nah, that's dinner.
Oh.
Look at that big barra bait. No, just joking. So we're taking off in the boat, and ooh, look a bit rough in here. Dad's on.
Oh, deadly catfish.
Deadly catfish.
First one.
First one?
First one.
First.
Again. Oh, he's peeling line.
Nice catfish.
Nah, catfish don't do that. It's a nice big grubber.
Oh, nice grunner. Get him in.
Nice grubber.
Oh, look at him.
Lovely.
Solid one.
Come here, Paul. Nice grunner, just legal. Lovely.
Ooh.
You're not getting the surface that one.
Uh-oh.
That's a good catfish. Maybe.
Oh no, grunner.
Grunner.
Not a grunner. And he's tangled with me.
Yeah, lovely. You'll do.
Nice little grunner.
Make a feed, that one.
2 on board.
Jacko's got a crab.
That's a nice crab. Yeah.
Straight in, mate. Pull him straight up the boat. Boom, done. Beautiful. Thank you. Got him. Male and everything. Oi. Oi.
Got the fish.
It's got the fish. It's got the crab. Straight to the esky, that one, I reckon.
Yep.
First one, mate. Oh, deadly eel. Look at that. This fucking mullet's nearly as big as him.
Yeah.
What do you got, Jacko?
Tree.
Got a fish?
No.
Tree fish.
Tree fish. How many beers is that?
This one?
Yeah.
First one.
First one?
First one.
Rightio. Dad's on with another one.
You going home in the nude yet?
No. Still hope for me.
Oh, it's a big grunner. Nice grunner. They're on. They're here.
Nice big gunner. Whew. Look at him.
Nice grunner. Ooh, grunner jumping. Oof. First beer. What do you got?
Nothing.
Nothing. Again. That was a good one.
Yes, they always are.
Are you going home in the nude?
No.
If you don't catch a fish, you're going home in the nude.
That's weird.
That's the rules.
That's weird. Lights out.
Are we? Jack's on. Finally.
Oh.
Nice eel. We've got a crab swimming over here too. What do you got?
Caddy.
Nice caddy. Jack's on again. Finally. This looks like a better fish. What do you got?
Oh, what is that?
What is it? Pull it up, have a look. Nice big grunner,
No, it's not.
isn't it? Oh, it's a big eel. Look at the size of this thing.
Oh.
He'd have to be a metre and a half long.
Oh.
Geez, you're catching all the good ones today.
Yeah.
Oh, he bit you off.
Oh well.
That's good.
You didn't want him in the boat anyway.
No, we definitely don't want him in the boat.
Dad's on with another fish.
Nice grunner. Yeah, they're finicky, eh? Always going under. Come over the top of it.
Nice. Nice grunner.
They're finicky.
Whew.
There's beer. What is it? Bigger than a
This
catfish?
is like barramundi.
Nah,
Nah, probably not.
big eel. On your glow stick too.
Yeah, I got a glow stick on the line. What do we got here?
What do you got here?
Oh, look at that grunner.
Oh, that's a big grunner.
Hey, hey.
That's the biggest grunner yet. He's a nice big grunner. Don't drop him. Look at this fella.
Hey, get in the boat.
Get in the boat with ya. Oh, Jacko!
Oh, look at that.
Not going home nude today.
Oh,
That's a horse of a grunner.
that's a thumbnail for sure.
Woo!
How many beers was that, Dad?
Who? Me?
Yeah.
This is the first one.
Alrighty, eh? First
Yeah.
one, eh?
Yeah.
Hello, grunner. Okay. Ah, that light's pretty bright.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go less. That's it.
So we're just going home now, and we run into a bit of an issue. Guess what? Dad hasn't had his second beer.
I'm only on my first beer.
Oh, okay, only on first beer, eh?
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll see you back at the boat ramp. So we've loaded the bike up and it's wet, it's muddy, it's cold. All the elements have been thrown at us.
Oh, that's good, eh?
Let's get it. And away we go.
Right, hang on. I better go get my second beer.
Oh, this is the second beer?
Second beer, yep.
Oh, yeah.
Second beer.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Rightio, that concludes the video for today. We'll see you next week. And what do you got to say?
You gotta fillet all your fish first, and mine.
So it's the next day and we have been covered in mud from wheel to bow bar. It's everywhere. We snapped the thing here. Ooh, look at the bike. And Dad's going into town.
Joys of fishing the back bay.
And Dad's going into town and I'm going to have to wash the boat by myself and Dad's washing the four-wheeler when he gets back. Isn't that right?
Yeah, right.